Hi, this is Kalisi, and we are going to make a puppet shadow theater. So first we need tissue paper, and the most important thing is light. And we also need a box cut out like this. My dad already made one. Here. There's the tissue paper. If you want to add curtains, you can. For decoration, there's 2 holes on the side so I can play the puppets. And the back, it has a little door for the light. Next, I'm going to show you my puppets. It's just right here. So first, I made my characters, me and my sister Wiley, the campfire, the moon, my tent, and the tree. My story is called The Amazing Camp and Baby Bigfoot. What we're going to do is make Baby Bigfoot on this cardboard. We need cardboard so it won't bend. But if you use paper, it will bend. So now we're going to draw Bigfoot. Let's start drawing. So first, we have to make the body. So we make a big egg, something like an egg. Then we make the eyes. Not too scary, but a little big. And then the mouth, we draw a little line. Then a circle. Since he's a baby, let's draw a little 2 sharp teeth. Next, we're going to do the arms. So make it like noodly, and his arms are going to be long. Next, do a circle for the palm and some spikes for the claws. Next arm. He's hairy, so I'm going to make the hair. Start here, then. Next, we're going to do the horns. This Bigfoot has horns, so I'm going to make horns. And a little bit hair sticking out. Next, we're going to do the feet. And little ovals. Well, he's called Bigfoot, so big ovals, not that big. Then 2 triangles for the claws. There you go. Bigfoot. Baby Bigfoot. I've got my scissors, and do you know what that means? We're going to cut. If you're 5 or 6, ask your parents to help you cut. If you have kid scissors, you can do it. Just a little cut then. How's it look? Next, we're going to put the sticks. First, we need sticks and tape. My tape. Okay. First, we get the tape. Make it to a T. Then press, press, press. Stick this. And then get another tape. I put the tape on the tape, and then I'll put it right here and put it all around. So that's Wiley. Next we're doing Baby Bigfoot. Did you know that there's also more Bigfoots? Like Sasquatch, he's a medium-sized Bigfoot. And the Yetis, there's no Bigfoot. Here, well, Bigfoot's done. Baby Bigfoot. Ah, popsicle. Okay, now it's time to do our shadow play. So I'm just gonna get our stage and put it on the table so it has to face me. Roll it into a ball. This is going to be the tent. Campfire is setting up right in the middle right here. And now, are you ready for the premiere of the Amazing Camp and Baby Bigfoot? Oh, Wiley, wanna hear a scary story? Scary? Yeah. Once upon a time, there was dinner and the monster came by. And then she heard it, and then she was going to follow the sound, but she didn't see the monster. It sounds scary, Kalisi, very scary. I heard a scary noise! I'm gonna go in the tent! Wally doesn't need to be scared. I'm more. Huh?
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing here?
I live here. Aren't you scared of me?
No. Well, my sister is. She's scared.
Everyone's scared of me.
Well, it's because you're too big and hairy.
But that makes me sad.
I'm not even that scared. Maybe I could be your friend?
That would make me happy. Because I have no friends.
And why are you here in my and my sister's camp?
I'm just looking for my dad. That's why I'm always saying, ah! That's how I call my dad.
Oh.
Well, maybe I can stay here and wait until he comes.
Yeah. Are you hungry?
I'm always hungry. You have any s'mores?
Yes.
Yeah.
I was just packing them in my bag. And they're in the tent.
Let's go.
Okay.
What an amazing